Hi guys, welcome to Happy Hour with Nikki. Today we're going to be talking about sour cherry juice. This is a Mita sour cherry. It is delicious. If you have not had it before, click the link in the description below so that you guys can purchase and try this at home. Today we're going to make some cocktails with this delicious juice. So first one is, your kids are going to love this. So we're just going to make this non-alcoholic, fill a glass with ice. We're gonna pour sour cherry juice. And we're gonna top it off with some club soda. So this is a great one that you can make when you're doing your signature cocktails for your parties and you decide to focus on cherry juice. You can have this for non-alcoholic, light and refreshing. And if you want, you could always add a little vodka to this too. So this drink is refreshing, summery, and delicious. Our next cocktail, we're gonna use champagne. So I have a bottle of Prosecco. We're just gonna do, this will be great for brunch. You're just gonna do Prosecco, and we're gonna do about 2 ounces of cherry juice on the top. Look at that beautiful color. This is great for brunch. And I'm gonna garnish this with actual sour cherry from Greece. I'm gonna put this right on the top of that. It's gonna float to the bottom, but it's gonna give it an extra sweet flavor. Cheers. And our third one, you all know I love tequila, so we're gonna make a sour cherry margarita. So we have a margarita glass here. I'm gonna fill this up with ice. We're gonna take our shaker, our ice in our shaker, tequila. So we have 2 ounces of tequila for this one. We're gonna do 2 ounces of sour cherry juice. 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And 1 ounce of, you can use Cointreau or triple sec. So I'm gonna use some 1 ounce. And we're gonna shake this one up. We're gonna pour that on. Beautiful. We're gonna garnish this with a lime round, as well as a little bit of this delicious cherry juice, cherry preserve, I should say. I'm gonna put that around our glass. And this cocktail is ready. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Cheers. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.